Poutine, 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 poutine. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we'll be cooking poutine. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
First thing we'll do is peel and cut 3 potatoes. I'll cut potato on one side here. Make this a base so it's stable. And cut them into thin French fries. This is one potato. I'll do 2 more potatoes. The fries are now cut. I'll wash it and remove some starch from it. Next we'll take the fries and dry them. I'll put a cloth here. Put the fries on this. And dry it nice and dry. Take out as much moisture as possible from the potato, which is safer to cook. You can see the potatoes now. Take a pot and put oil in it, but don't put too much oil. Keep it to 1/3 of a pan. I'll start the temperature on high. The oil is now hot and we are going to put the fries in there. Put few at a time. You can see the oil is hot and it's cooking the potatoes now. I'm going to put this on medium high now. And we'll cook it for 7 minutes. This is what we call blanching. Once this is blanched, we'll take it out. It's about 7 minutes now and I'm going to take the fries out. We'll keep this blanched fries on the side and then we'll start making our gravy. We are going to prepare our gravy now. This is 1 cup of water I'm going to boil. This is on high heat. This is beef bouillon. I'll put 1 cube in water. Next I'll put 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Now I'll put 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'll stir it a little. This is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'll put 1 cup of water and stir it well. This is now liquefied and I'm going to add to the gravy. And I'll keep stirring till the time it thickens. Slowly you'll see the change in color and it's getting darker and darker. This is a nice thick gravy now. Gravy took about 4 minutes to make and now I'm going to finish the fries. The oil is nice and hot now and I'll put the fries in it. So this is the finishing stage of French fries. It will cook for about 3 minutes and you'll get a nice crunchy French fries. It's about 3 minutes now and it's starting to show the golden color. And this is the time we'll take it out. They look nice, golden and crispy. These are the finished fries. We are going to plate them now. When the fries are cooked, we put it in a plate with paper there so that it soaks out the extra oil. The original cheese used is cheese curd, and this is the cheese curd we are going to put on the fries. This is our finished thick gravy. I'm going to put it on top of the pudding. This is our finished poutine ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments for us, leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and make sure to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, it's time for the taste test. Let's give this poutine a go. We get some cheese curd, some gravy, and French fry.
I'll do the same. Heaven.
The ultimate comfort food. Very tasty.
Second bite.
Delicious.
We'll finish it here.
It's extra satisfying with the nice big cheese curds in there. You really get your fill. And for sure, if you're in the mood for a really filling and some comfort food type food, this is the one for you.
Give this a try in your home. Tera photo hai. Tera photo hai. Hey.
Oh, hi, Kurt.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, hey. La 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 la. 1959, 1959, 1959. 1956, 1957, 1950s, 1959. Woo!
Good job. Happy camper? Happy camper?
Happy mama.
Happy one.